Let's see another illustration. Light from a discharge tube containing hydrogen atoms falls on the surface of a piece of sodium. The kinetic energy of the fastest photoelectrons emitted from sodium is 0.73 electron volt. The work function for sodium is 1.82 electron volt. Find A, B, C, D. A, the energy of the photons causing the photoelectric emission. B, the quantum numbers of the two levels involved in the emission of these photons. C, the change in the angular momentum of the hydrogen atom in the above transition. And D, the recoil speed of the emitting atom, assuming it to be at rest before the transition. Given ionization potential of hydrogen is 13.6 volt and the mass of hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg, 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Let's see the solution. For part A, according to Einstein's photoelectric equation, the maximum kinetic energy Ek of the emitted fastest electrons is given by Ek equal to h nu minus W, where h nu is the energy of the photons causing the photoelectric emission and W is the work function of the emitting surface. Here Ek equal to 0.73 electron volt and W equal to 1.82 electron volt. Therefore h nu equal to Ek plus W equal to 0.73 plus 1.82 equal to 2.55 electron volt. B, these photons energy 2.55 electron volt are coming from a hydrogen discharge tube, that is, they are being emitted due to emission transition between hydrogen energy levels. The ionization potential of hydrogen atom is 13.6 volt. This means that the energy of the lowest level of hydrogen atom is E1 equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. The energy of higher levels is given by En equal to E1 upon n square. Thus E2 equal to minus 13.6 upon 4 equal to minus 3.4 electron volt. E3 equal to minus 13.6 upon 9 equal to minus 1.5 electron volt. E4 equal to minus 13.6 upon 16 equal to minus 0.85 electron volt. The energy of the emitted photon is 2.55 electron volt. Now E4 minus E2 equal to minus 0.85 minus 3.4 equal to 2.55 electron volt. Thus the quantum numbers of the two levels involved are 4 and 2. Let's see the solution for part C. The electron transitions causing the emission of photon of energy 2.55 electron volt is from n equal to 4 level to n equal to 2 level. Now according to Bohr's postulate, the angular momentum of the electron in the hydrogen atom is nh upon 2 pi. Thus the change in angular momentum in the above transition is 4h upon 2 pi minus 2h upon 2 pi equal to h upon pi. D, the momentum of the photon emitted from the hydrogen atom is h nu upon c equal to 2.55 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 upon 3 into 10 power 8 equal to 1.36 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram meter per second. By conservation of momentum, the recoil momentum of the hydrogen atom will be equal and opposite to the momentum of the emitted photon. The recoil speed of the atom is V equal to momentum upon mass equal to 1.36 into 10 power minus 27 upon 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 equal to 0.814 meter per second. Let's see another illustration. What is the recoil speed of a hydrogen atom after it emits a photon in going from n equal to 5 state to n equal to 1 state, given R infinity equal to 1.097 into 10 power 7 meter, H equal to 6.63 into 10 power 34 joule second, and mass of hydrogen atom MH equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Let's see the solution. The wavelength of the emitted photon is given by 1 upon lambda equal to R infinity 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square equal to 1.097 into 10 power 7 multiplied by 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 5 square 1.053 into 10 power 7 meter inverse, or lambda equal to 0.950 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Momentum of photon equal to h upon lambda equal to 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 0.95 into 10 power minus 7 equal to 6.98 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram meter per second. By conservation of linear momentum, we have momentum of recoiled hydrogen atom equal to momentum of photon. Mass of hydrogen into velocity equal to h upon lambda, or 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 into V equal to 6.98 into 10 power minus 27. Therefore, V equal to 6.98 upon 1.67 equal to 4.18 meter per second.